Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making spicy chicken wings. So let's get started. The first step is to brine your chicken, and to do that all you need is salt, buttermilk, and hot sauce. Mix that all together and let it sit in a refrigerator for a couple of hours. Next it's time to prepare our seasonings, and we'll need black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. Now I'm going to take a portion of the seasoning and pour it into a bag with flour, then mix it all together. Then take the other portion and season the chicken wings with it. Now I'm going to place each piece of chicken wings into the bag with flour and make sure to get a nice coating on each wing. Go ahead and preheated the oven to 450 degrees, and I will be baking for 20 minutes on each side. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below as well. So once they're done, they should look like this. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more videos as well. Take care.